Welcome, friends, come take a seat. Grab your words and feel the beat. Sing and laugh, it's all okay. Learning English starts today.
Hello, everyone. Pete here. Welcome to English with Aho Pete. Today, we're celebrating Valentine's Day. Let's learn some lovely vocabulary together. Ready? Brilliant. Oh, we go. Here are some common Valentine's words in English. Repeat after me. And don't forget to say them with a smile. Hard, Cupid, Rose, Friends, Card, Gift, or Present. Flowers, candies, or sweets, chocolates, hug, balloons, arrow, kiss. On Valentine's Day in Britain, people often give a card, some flowers, or a little present. In Mexico, we also celebrate with cards, flowers, chocolates, and presents, but we call it the Day of Love or Friendship. So, friends are included too. It's a way of saying you're special to me. Now, it's time for the Valentine's Challenge. I'll show you a picture or a word, and you've got 5 seconds to say it aloud. If you get it right, you earn a big Valentine's present. Ready? There you go. What is it? Wow, that's the ticket. What are they? Brilliant effort. What is it? Wow, way to go. What are they? Well done. What are they? Wow, excellent work. What is it? Good try. What is it? That's amazing. What is it? Brilliant effort. What is it? Excellent work. What are they? Wow, way to go. What is it? Well done. What is it? Brilliant effort. What are they? Excellent work. Thank you so much for joining me today. You've done brilliantly. Keep practicing your balanced vocabulary. It's part of everyday English. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because every week I'll be posting new videos to help you with your English. And if you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like. Spot on well today. Cheers and happy Valentine's Day.